Like I learned a lot here. Just a quick video. I have been trying to get to this and just come, but it's a wee bit late. But here's the castle. That's actually purely up for Christmas. Yeah. As I said, I promise you, I should bring you the Christmas. That's the actual townhouse after being redone for like 2 years. Oh. Santa Claus away with the policeman. He's been arrested. He's been drunk, heavily drunk. Here's Michael Walter. What?
Oh, there he is.
Jesus Christ, I didn't Look. It's Charlie's first run as well, so yeah guys, definitely a shout out to this video. I do apologise for the late.
This is the start ones right there, dude.
Oh, 2 seconds guys.
Easier.
What's coming? Kimberly just ran over a person. That's a gorgeous townhouse.
That actually looks like.
Yeah, guys, I said that's the whole street lights completely lit up. It says Merry Christmas on the first one, and then got all the others lit up. So yeah, no, Old Town is lit up. There's, as I said, there's about several thousand people here. Good feet. So yeah, and there's one of the lights right there. Oh yeah, Christmas is now around the corner, guys. I did say to you, I bring this video to you tonight. It is good content. So as I guys, like and subscribe to this video. Give me a couple of photos of your ones if you've got any lights that are actually up and lit in your own town. So definitely.
Somewhere else.
Yeah, where am I? Yeah, no. So yeah, guys. 2017 Christmas light switch on. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. Another photo of that. Then the whole downwards. I'll do another part of it when I go down further, so I can show you guys more. I'll show you the Christmas tree in the Falcon Square later on. But yeah, no, it's so yeah. Hello. Goodbye.
You really have to put me in that?
Yeah, I do. She hates me putting YouTube videos, guys. Well, like I said, it's good recruitment. Right. So yeah, guys, lights on over there. There's a spiraling one over at Snotbin beside the Royal Bank of Scotland. Brilliant. I mean, the Christmas trees and stuff. What? Go on. But yeah, that's after them redoing the actual townhouse this year, after like 2 years or something. I mean, that's brilliant. I mean, lit up like that, that's beautiful. To see the townhouse like that is brilliant. It's got a new face, new start to Christmas. That's pretty cool. Again, guys, the whole street's now starting to calm down. There's a lot of people going. There's also torches as well, like literally torches for the parents. Should have gone on that. I mean, for our parents, after all, the new parents. But everybody's going over to the Charlie Norman, boy. Charlie Norman. Alright guys, that's Charlie. It's his first Christmas light switch on. He's actually awake for this one because in the bonfire he was sleeping, like right through to till the end. Hey baby. Aye. You're on camera. Mickey boy. Yeah guys, as I said, great content is coming. I do apologise, but I should have showed you the pipe band. To be honest, pipe band was on tonight, but hey, what can I say? That's all the bucket with all the torches that are in the street.
The pipe band was all dressed up with lights and everything on the bagpipes.
Really?
That's not recorded?
Yeah.
We're going to be reopening the city centre to traffic. So could you please
It looks like they're directing traffic. From oh, it's done. Oh, done. Works at the council. Oh, as seen, guys, it's quite still busy. It's crazy. It's a. Well, as I said, guys, I promise you content is going to be here. So like and subscribe. Twitter and Snapchat will be up now. I'll be editing this video as soon as I get home. So yeah, I'll do that as well. But as I said, guys, content is content. I did say the Christmas light switch on. I know I am a wee bit late, but I'm showing you the actual lightness of the actual town. The town is crazy. I mean, this year to see the high street completely lit up. This is all like all your energy saving bulbs, because they have to change all these bulbs because of the new law of having energy savings. Brilliant, brilliant. But yeah, guys, as I said, like and subscribe to the video, like and subscribe to the page. Also, guys, I've done a new song, so I will upload it to YouTube later on my Internal Bible. If you can't see that, I'll put it in the description. Also, comment down in the comments how you think of the Christmas lights. If there's anyone, just send me pictures of your ones to see if how we can compare the actual town to being being brilliant. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going down just now. Are we gonna get like a hot drink?
No, here I'm back for food.
Actually see you as well.
I can't actually.
We'll make a double vlog and put it all together.
Yeah. So yeah, guys. Hello. But hey, as I said, guys, like and subscribe to the video. I'm just gonna go off just now. I'm gonna put my face on the camera. So unfortunately, yeah, sorry guys, it's quite busy. My camera is quite that dumb. It didn't turn around this long. It's pretty stupid. But yeah, guys, as I said, like and subscribe to this video. I'll see you soon. I'll be editing this. Take care from me, and bye bye. And to the live gang, guys. Welcome to another video. Second part was the actual Christmas lights. Still in town just now. We're just taking Charlie around the actual places and showing them the actual Christmas lights. It's his first Christmas and all. So, also, guys, you're going to see this. Actual people dressed up in actual white. Apparently, it looks like white. Granny kind of plays something. Not sure. But yeah, guys, we're going around this way too. I'll see. But yeah, guys, that's the actual Christmas lights going up. It's absolutely great. It says Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. But yeah, brilliant. So, and also there's Tigger and Bob the Builder over there. And there's Suits again. Face her up, control point. Hello, please. Please. They're doing their controlling. That's normal. But yeah, guys. That is weird, huh? Must be like. Is that Dora the Explorer?
Yeah.
Yeah. She looks fucking funky. She's like weird, like. She looks weird.
All the dolls was fucking hot.
Yeah, I want a Costa.
Too expensive.
It's good for hot chocolate. I'm actually kind of planning to go for Costa, guys, because of the because it's cold. I like Costa, and it's a good time to have Costa. My God, this is everything here this year. As I said, guys, video content was coming tonight, I promise you, and I'm delivering what I'm saying. I'm sorry for not delivering them the last few times, but I am delivering now. Oh, there's Paw Patrol. Laura, oh, Charlie, Paw Patrol. Charlie's Paw Patrol. Charlie loves his Paw Patrol. Every time you see something about Paw Patrol, he looks cool. So yeah, no guys, sorry about that. Figure out the way. Well, there is more Christmas lights. And then down the road, down the path beside the old Poundland Marks and Spencer's is the more Christmas lights again. Sounds yeah, guys, as I said, like and subscribe to this video. I'll be putting it together. It'll be a big video. So as I said, guys, content is content. I am bringing it. I do apologize. I have my phone. I've got my camera. So my camera is the only thing that would have been better for it. But hey, what can I say? I want nothing. But yeah, guys, content is content. Just follow me on all my social medias. It'd be great to hear from you guys. What? What?
Me shouting Tigger, you just called out camera.
Tigger! Hello! But yeah, guys, like and subscribe to the video. I did say tonight, guys, content.
Oh,
Bring
he's
it.
actually meeting Popcorn, the other Popcorn this time.
Oh, is
He met Chase last time, now he's meeting Marshall.
Oh, yeah. I like how you know all these.
When you're a mum, you get to learn.
Oh, hi guys. My partner knows the actual Paw Patrol character. What can I say? She's a mum. And the thing is, I'm a dad, and I don't really know myself. I'm a dad.
Paw Patrol.
But yeah, guys, like and subscribe to the video. For me tonight, I'm gonna go. It's in cold. Just a quick vlog of it, of the Christmas 2017 lights. I do apologise, but the I do apologise about not showing up.
that's Marshall.
Because having a kid, you get screwed up. Also, guys, I'll take a few photos of my Christmas tree in the Falcon Square, and I'll send it to the actual Snapchat. And you can guys have a look at it. But for me tonight, guys, enjoy your night. I hope you guys have a good night. Peace out. And bye bye. Bye bye.